Welcome to this course where you're going to learn how to harness the power of ChatGPT and similar artificial intelligence tools in your business. The media is full of stories about ChatGPT, the new Bing search engine, tools that can generate videos, music and so much more. And these are all based on a type of artificial intelligence called generative AI. In this course, you're going to learn what these new AI tools are all about, and you'll get ideas on how to start using them in your organisation. My name is Sue Turner. I'm a non-executive director with decades of experience leading dynamic entrepreneurial businesses as well as not-for-profits. I founded AI Governance while studying for my master's degree in AI and data science with the mission to inspire as many organisations as possible to use AI with wisdom and integrity. And that's why I've created this course for you. In just 7 modules, you're going to learn the basics of what AI is, how it works, and why generative AI is causing such a storm. We'll look at whether it's a threat to our jobs or even the human race. In Lesson 4, we'll dive into ideas for you to use generative AI in your business, and you'll get hands-on with using some AI tools too. But using AI can have downsides, so we'll explore some of the challenges, issues and limitations that you need to be aware of so that you can make good choices and avoid some of the pitfalls of using AI. We've included a module all about prompt engineering too. That's going to help you improve your skills to get more out of these generative AI tools. And finally, you'll work up your own action plan for what you want to learn next. So let's get you started on learning how to harness the power of ChatGPT and generative AI in your business. I hope you enjoy the course, and I know you're going to learn lots of new skills you can use in your business today.